Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a quick look at the Samsung Food app and exploring its features, tools, and overall user experience. Let's get started. Samsung Food is a food and meal planning app designed to help users discover recipes, organize meals, and manage food-related activities through a mobile platform. The app aims to make meal preparation and food organization easier by bringing different tools together in one place. One of the main features of the app is recipe discovery. Users can browse a variety of recipes and explore different meal ideas based on preferences, ingredients, or cooking interests. This can help users find inspiration for daily meals and cooking plans. Another important feature is meal planning functionality. The app may allow users to organize meals for the week, create schedules, and plan food preparation in a more structured way. The app also includes shopping and organization tools. Users may be able to create grocery lists, manage ingredients, and organize food-related information directly from the application. Another useful aspect is personalization. Depending on available features and updates, users may receive recipe suggestions and recommendations based on preferences and activity within the app. The interface appears to focus on simplicity and accessibility, allowing users to browse recipes, manage plans, and navigate food-related tools without much difficulty. Features and functionality may vary depending on region, device compatibility, and app version. Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. This review is based on publicly available online information and research and is not based on personal experience with the application. Features, performance, availability, and user experience may vary depending on device, region, updates, and individual usage. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more app reviews and technology content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.